Hello everyone and welcome to Ron TV Metro. It just rained, so the roads are wet. Actually I made the previous video, but I got caught in the rain with that, so that's not probably gonna be published anyway. So we're here in Marikina City. We're just gonna do a neighborhood exploration. So let's go. Let's just wait for this van to pass. I want to make sure I'm crossing the road correctly. But, there are a few more vehicles coming, so yeah, I think we are good. Alright, hopefully no rain on this side. Let me fix myself because I'm entering government property. So this is the municipal office. I am going to show you the busks of previous mayors. Let me cross the parking lot first. I'll do this. So these are the mayors of Marikina City. These were, yes. The floor is slightly slippery. Not sure if that's meant for the design. So I'll be showing you more of them. Just have to be a little more careful. Don't want to slip. There you got the other mayors. Marikina is booming with lots of construction. I see. Beyond the car park is the Marikina Sports Center. We'll do a separate video of that one someday. Over there is a social welfare office. So I'm just showing you the neighborhood for now. But I do have a place to go. It is also slightly drizzling, so I gotta find some shelter again. Maybe once I get to the city hall or the shoe bazaar. So yeah, the previous video I was doing, I just feel it's a train wreck. So I'm gonna get to the other side. Over here is the Marikina Summer Shoe Bazaar. Let's go across. Starting to drizzle. That building over there is the City Hall, basically City Hall of Justice. So yeah, and there's the let me just show you, Marikina Summer Shoe Bazaar. I already did the video of the Marikina Shoe Bazaar, so you'll probably see that in well, you'll probably see that by the time this video is published. So yeah. Alright, give me a second here, I'll be crossing. So if you want a thorough walkthrough of this bazaar, check out my previous video. There is also another video back during the holidays, so you can see the shoes and all. Plus I also did a history video about the shoe industry here in Marikina, so you could also check out the Kapitan Moy house for that for that reference. So which way do I wanna go? And I'm gonna end my video here. Slam that like button for me, share and subscribe. I hope to see you on my next adventure. Bye folks. Let me just see you folks on my next adventure.